When extreme winds sandblast the borderland, turn to the ABC7 Storm Track weather team.
Only ABC7 issues first alerts on air, online, and on your mobile device.
This is certainly going to be the windiest time that we have seen.
Keeping your family ahead of potential danger. And once the weather hits, trust the resources and experience of the ABC7 team to fan out across the borderland for complete coverage.
His patio roof blew completely off the house.
First alerts, the Storm Track weather team, only on ABC7.